today's video I'm going to show you how to add, edit and delete links. So first we need to go to the pages section, and here all our pages are visible. If you want to link our shop page to our home page, then we will click this and we will click copy link, and we will go to our home section. And here we will see this button, visit our shop, and here we will paste the link. And when we click this link, then our shop page is open. If you want to edit the link, then you can edit it, and delete it as well. Just enter this link here. We have added, and just like that. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Thank you.